Hi scale guys, today we have special custom program with the print button for the truck drivers, which will be mounted beside the scales and remote display. We have printer to print the ticket, and this is relay which change stuff, so we can act everything like that. Here we have special option card. These two gray wires goes to the option card 1 and 9, and black and white goes from the relay. I do it on the shop, so when the guys will wire everything, everything already working and everybody knows where everything goes. So first COM port will be printer, and the second one will be Aurora. But for Aurora we change here transmitting goes to Aurora, here to the receiving. I don't want to open it, so anyway. And you also need to set parameters in Aurora as well. If you will do it at the site, and it will be different Aurora. So parameter 1.6 should be 5, and parameter 8.5 should be 13. At Aurora menu, we should go to the menu by pressing these two buttons. So here we have ready for the next truck, and here we have ready. So we apply the weight, and it shows us axle 1, and it shows us the weight. And now we have green light, driver can put another axle. So he put another axle, red light here, another axle. He can change, I'm changing weight by here. So now he put another axle, stabilized. We changing, put another weight, axle 3, green light to put another axle. I change weight again, and it shows us another axle, axle 4, green light go again, and we have all the axles here. So let's put on 84, stop, axle 5, saved. And now driver will go out and push this print button, and the printer prints ticket for him. And we have all the axles here, total weight. You just need to put company name, which we don't put yet. So this is how it's work. And then you can clear all the axles here, or you just put to 0. It's zeroed by itself. Now we wait in 15 seconds. You can change this time as well in the manual. We have red light for now. This is the total weight of all the axles which we have, and now everything clear here by itself when the driver go away, and the scale is ready for the next truck. This is it